think it's 10, sir.
Hmm. Of RGB, yes. RGB.
RGB.
Uh, what we are taking?
We are doing RGB, no, sir. Now,
Yes, yes. On that.
soft
Yes,
light
come
we want.
come to normal. Yes, soft light. Yes, and then reduce, and then slightly increase, maybe 5% around. Just on off and see.
There's not much difference.
No, no, increase. Make it 10. Hmm.
Yeah, slightly
Enough,
different.
enough. Okay, now
Global illumination.
yes, soft light. Global illumination. Go here. Soft light. Yeah, make it 0, and then increase to 5% and see. If no much different, then 5-10%.
No, not much difference, sir.
Then make it 10%. Yes, nice. That's it.
Yeah.
Yes,
This
it's okay. Done. Slightly difference is okay because we have other elements also.
is correct.
Yeah, lighting. We have lighting. Yes. On. Soft light again. Yes.
So 10 is okay.
Yes. Fine. Absolutely. Yes. Extra texture. Yes. Multiply. Reduce. Make it 5, and then make it 10. Increase a bit. Make it 10. Yes. Enough. Enough. Done.
We'll take reflection.
Reflection screen. Okay. Increase. Okay. Fine. Make it 70-80. Yes. Nice.
Yeah, what is it?
And refraction screen again, reduce it, increase more 60, make it 60%. Yes, enough. Yes. Specular, enough. Okay. Again screen. Yes, make it 80-90%. For very few areas we'll be
Yes,
having this.
yes, sir.
Nice. Total lighting.
Thank you. Yes.
Screen 0. Slightly increase, make it 10. At night we will not illuminate it much.
10, sir.
Make it 15. Make it 15. Uh, wait. Make it 25 to 30.
25. So
Yes,
increase to 30.
30.
Yes.
On off?
Yes.
Okay, fine. It's okay. Because other elements will also come now. Other
Yes.
Photoshop exposure and all will come. This is enough.
Right.
Okay,
And
done.
now I
Yes.
should group this.
Group it.
We'll take photo filter.
Photo filter.
Cyan
Yes. Slightly increase.
5.
Okay. Just on off the eye button. Make it 2-3 times. Okay, it's done.
Yeah.
On the walls you will see the blue effect. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Nice. Enough.
Curves.
Yes. Wait. One thing is, go to effects. Please.
Okay.
Photo filter. Hue saturation. Take hue saturation. Increase. And see the golden area and the leaf. Okay, enough. It's enough. The metal and the leaf will get much affected. On off?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. Go to effects. Let me see what else is there. Wait, wait, no. Photo filter we have done. Situation. Curves. Okay, come to curves. We already took curve.
Yeah.
Take one curve. Remove one. We took two curves.
Okay.
Okay, remove one.
So this I will drop.
Yes.
Now this will.
Yes. Increase. Little more. Little more. Increase. Okay, enough. Wait. Done.
Right.
Done. See? Other effect?
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Yes.
So brightness we need.
Wait. Brightness contrast. Take brightness contrast. We see contrast. What effect we get. Brightness we don't want. But then
Yes.
also just try brightness increase. Let me see what effect we are getting. The brighter areas. Wait. Make it 15. Yes, 15 is good.
Fine.
Contrast is increased. Let me see. 15. Okay, wait. Make it 15. Now, just on off the eye icon. Yes. Now what we will do, we will come the opacity because what result we are getting is extreme.
Yes. We'll try to bring this the opacity now.
Opacity, yes. Reduce it to 0. And we will see how much we require.
Fine,
Increase
sir.
5% and then 10%. First make it 5%, 10%. It's okay. 10% of the on our eye button. On our eye button.
Very less effect, sir.
Very less. Make it 15. Make it 15%. Yes,
Slightly there's a difference.
is enough. This much is enough. That's all. Just group it up. Just group it up. We are done.
Yes.
Yes. Now lens
This one.
bloom effect. First create bloom effect and
Yeah.
then lens flare.
Right.
No. First take yellow color. No.
Oh, okay. We should take.
Light yellow color. Light yellow color.
Yes.
Take light yellow color. Bright yellow. Little more darker. Little more darker. Little more darker. Toward your right. Yeah. No. The top
Up.
on top. Yes.
Yes.
Bright yellow. Yes. Okay. That's fine. Make it okay.
Okay.
Now take brush tool. Yes.
50-50 is okay, na, sir?
50 okay, yes, fine. Adjust the radius a bit. Yes, enough. Click 2-3 times. Enough. Yes. Repeat the same step. Enough. Yes. Okay. Okay.
We are done.
Center one also give little illumination. The center ceiling light. The white balls there.
This one. So we'll
Yes.
take different layer, na, sir.
Take it different. It's okay.
I'll take the different layer.
Yes.
Now this we have to convert into screen, right?
Yes.
Screen. Now we need the same color or we need
Same.
yellow, sir?
Same.
We need to copy the same color, right?
Same. No.
Oh,
Light yellow. Yeah, light yellow only.
light yellow. Oh,
Yes. When you change the skin, it will be brighter.
okay.
It will be brighter. Okay. Nice. Alright. Make the screen reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity.
Okay, sir, 80%.
Nice, nice.
And this one again 80% will do?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, nice.
Now I'll bring that lens effect.
Lens effect. Bring it lens effect. Yes. Reduce the opacity, na? Just see, make it 80% or 70%. Yes, nice,
70% should be
nice,
okay.
nice.
Done.
Yes, nice. Save it, yes, save it. Yes. Save as PNG also. PNG will give you a better result, a better high
Yes, sir.
HD result.
Yes, sir. Before that, we'll finish up this one. And we left with uh, sharpen.
Sa अच्छा हाँ sharpen is
Uh,
left ना.
yeah, that is left. And this patch, I will do it.
अच्छा हाँ patch is also there.
So this
Yes.
I'll group it.
Just group it.
Okay. Now I'll finish up this patch.
Yes, yes. Please do. Make a copy. Make a control. Make a separate copy. Control
Yes, sir.
Shift Alt. Yeah. Whatever we have created.
Okay.
You know, Control Shift Alt
Yes,
V.
yes. Done, sir.
Yes.
Already done.
Yes, yes, yes. No, not do it. Not do it. Correction.
Yesterday I struggled a little bit to get this one. Uh, now say
Yeah. Take a bigger area. Take a bigger area from the left. From top to bottom. Yes. Yes.
yes.
Now completely. Yes. Copy. Yeah. Create a patch kind of.
Okay, done, sir.
Yes.
Now how to copy this, sir?
Control J. Control plus J. Yes. Takes less. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. No mask. Use masking. It's enough. That is enough. That is enough. Use masking.
Any difference?
Opacity increase a bit. Make it 30 opacity also. Yes.
No, sir. Much difference.
But it is coming. It is coming, but You can on off the eye icon there and you can see the difference. Yes,
Yes, sir.
it's coming there. Difference is coming.
So little more
Plus,
should I take?
yes, opacity,
I
make it
take.
increase, flow also increase, then also you can see quicker result. Yes,
Yes, now it.
it's coming. Increase the area now.
Yes.
Increase the this thing. This scale the area. Yes. Redo that black area. You don't.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Press cross X on your keyboard.
X.
Yes.
Okay.
Now click on the black patch on the top. You see that the black patch there?
Yes, sir. Here, sir.
No. Left side.
Here.
Yes. Click 2
Okay.
2 times. It will redo the step. Means white.
Okay.
Click on.
So that means X plus we should wherever we want undo. This is the best method.
Yes.
Press X and 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Black at the top means it will remove the top layer.
Okay. White means flat back. It will bring back.
White, yeah, white at the top means it will bring back the top layer.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, just try that.
That's okay, sir. Still there, I think.
It is still there. It will take some time, but you know the steps. It's okay.
I know the steps. I can manage it now.
You can do it. It's still there. It needs some
Uh,
time. It's okay.
yeah.
It will come.
Now we'll control this, sir. Now.
Yes.
Yes. So for that we need render elements.
End element. Take it.
I think we can directly select now, sir.
Make a
Okay.
rectangle. Yeah. Make a
The
rectangle.
rectangle and directly will select.
Yeah. It will be easy.
Yes, sir. Now tell me, sir, what to do? We need to take one more layer.
No. See, first of all, that should be illuminated, no, the background scene.
Okay.
That little blue tone I want. So
Okay.
what you do? Only the I don't want the frame of the window. Just
Okay.
illuminate the frames. Only
This
the
was the frame.
scene.
Glass.
Yes. Only the glass will be there. Yes. First of all, we try to make
One,
it
two.
up. We try to make it little blue tint.
Okay. By filter, photo filter.
Photo filter, but we will use color balance. A color balance. It is a very nice for cyan. You see the top one cyan?
Okay.
Just increase the yes, little bit, a little bit. Enough,
Enough, sir.
enough. Yes. Now this should be illuminate a bit, little bit. Already
Okay.
there is illumination, so we use
Okay.
the curve. First, make the selection.
Again, same
No,
selection
no,
we
no,
have to
no, no,
make.
no, no, no,
Uh,
no, no, no.
uh,
You see the masking over there?
yes, sir.
No,
This
no,
one.
right side of that.
This one.
Control and click there. Press control and click there.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
So masking remembers the
Okay.
area selection. Now
Okay.
take curve. Take curve. No, little bit increase. Increase. Yes. Can you zoom out? Just I want to see with the entire scene. Zoom out. Zoom out. No. Come back.
Right.
Come back.
Yes, sir.
Reduce the light. Bring it down. The curve. Bring it down. Bring it down more. Wait. Little bit more. Okay. Little bit up. It stood up. Little bit up. Little bit up. Enough.
Okay.
Done. Yes. It's done.
Fine, sir.
Save it. It's okay.
So we need now sharpen.
Sharpen again. You have to merge visible.
Yes.
File smart sharpen. See. Yes. Just on off preview button and see is it working fine or you need some more.
It's working, sir.
It's working fine, no?
Yes.
Okay, okay, then make it okay then. It's okay. Yes, yes, done.
Yes, done. Now, how to create a watermark, sir?
Watermark, create a new blank layer. Yes.
Okay.
Now take a text tool, T text tool.
Okay.
Make it a black. On top it's white color, no? On top, you make it a black color. Make it black.
Okay.
Yes. Now anywhere on your screen, click.
Okay.
Write your name. Yes. Now click outside. Click outside. Make it tick. Yes.
Okay.
It's done. Now selection tool. Take selection tool.
Okay.
No, selection. Not this. Move and selection. The top one. Top one. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Now it's small size. Reduce the size of it. Scale it down.
That is by this, sir.
Yes. Just scale it down.
I'm scaling it down.
Yes. Drag it to one corner. Yes. Enough. Drag it to one corner. Yes. And repeat this. Make a copy of that over your right side. Make it 2-3 copies. Over your right. Same line.
Okay.
At the middle also. At the middle also.
Fine, sir.
Bring one at the middle. Not top on the same line. On the same line. No.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
So with 3 on the same line. Yes.
Fine.
Now group everything. All 3 on the layers. Yes. Group it.
Fine, sir. Done.
Opacity reduce to 10%. Yes. 10, 12. Whatever. It's okay. Yes. Now you need to copy this group for maybe 4 times little downward, no, vertically down. Select the
4
group.
times you have to do. Okay.
Select the group first,
Okay.
and then copy it. Maybe Alt, no, Alt or how we may copy.
Alt drag, sir.
Alt and drag, yes. On your screen, yes. Alt and drag. Make 4 copy, yes. At a uniform distance, yes. Enough, yes. Again. One at the bottom. Yes, enough. Yes, done.
Okay.
Yes.
So we need so many of them, sir.
Depend upon your need. You
Right.
can create one at the center,
Okay.
or you can just create one at the top,
Okay.
or you can change the text. Anything, whatever you feel like, you
Fine,
can
sir.
create.
Fine, sir.
Opacity also you can create everything and then reduce opacity or whatever you feel like you can create.
Fine.
Overall, your look will be somewhat like this
Okay.
for the watermark.
Fine, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Save 2 different files. Huh?
One is
one
PSC,
watermark.
I will say.
Yes.
Okay.
For watermark also one is watermark and one is without watermark.
Without watermark.
Yes.